Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Dandy from Dandy's World. Dandicus Dancifer, known simply as Dandy, runs the show in Dandy's World. As a unique and somewhat mysterious figure, Dandy takes on the role of a shopkeeper between rounds, selling items, tunes, skins, and game passes. Although he's often a friendly face in the game, there's a chance he's hiding a darker side, as he might be the main antagonist in this whimsical world. Dandy, a flower-like toon, is visually striking, with his head adorned in 6 distinctively colored petals, arranged in a clockwise order, red at the very top, followed by orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. His face and torso are a soft off-white, while his limbs and blush have a delicate mint green shade, giving him a charmingly unique appearance. He's not just an NPC, though. In role-playing mode, Dandy is available as both a standard toon and as a twisted, adding an extra layer of intrigue and unpredictability for those daring enough to choose him. Dandy, whose full name is Dandicus Dancifer, has a few quirks that set him apart in Dandy's World. You'll spot a reference to his full name in one of the game's loading screens and a playful in-game interaction between Tegan and Pebble, though they only reveal his first name, Dandicus. To fans' amusement, Dandy has even inspired a UGC item, making him the first character in the game to get one. In his shop, Dandy's attitude varies. When you bring tunes from him, especially the main ones like Sprout, V, Astro, Shelly, and Shrimpo, you'll notice he often has a sarcastic remark waiting for you. But he tends to be silent or evasive about some of these characters, while with others, he has a bit more to say. Among them, Astro seems to be a notable exception. There's something about Astro that draws Dandy into conversation. Despite his sarcastic and sometimes distant attitude, it's hinted that Dandy shares a closer friendship with Astro. His interactions with Sprout and V, though, are a bit colder. They'll even joke about how he often brushes them off, with V admitting to trying, and failing, to argue with him. When frustration gets the better of him, you might see Dandy's hands start to twitch, a subtle sign of irritation directed at players. His designation is L001, with L supposedly standing for lethal, and when you see him as a developer character, he's something of an unstoppable force with infinite health, purely for testing. Dandy's physical appearance is meticulously detailed, right down to the spray paint cans lined up at the back of his store, each color matching the vibrant petals on his head. Rumor has it he might be behind his petal colors. He's not an actual dandelion, despite what some might think. Dandy's name is a nod to the old-fashioned term, dandy, fitting his unique charm. And yet, for all his quirks, Quelver has assured players that Dandy isn't a straight-up villain. He's more morally gray, playing between the lines, keeping players guessing about his true motives and alliances. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.